Early morning Target. Very early morning at Target. Very early morning at Target. I don't like to make too much noise. I don't like to make too much noise. So all I do is check the names down here. That's all I do. And that way I can say if there's anything. Alright, so looking for that Lambo, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put this back. Always put him back. I wanna leave a mess. There's nothing there. 50th anniversary pack. That's kind of cool. Anybody looking for Euro speeds? Look at that. You got the whole pack here. What do you have? Mercedes-Benz, Audi, BMW, Porsche. You know, Alfa Romeo. Not into those. No. Not into those. You got the whole bunch. Got a whole bunch there. Alright. On to Walmart we go. Now, let's go to Walmart and see what they have. Because there's nothing here.